Math time! Hi everyone! I am Isa George B. Pineda of Grade 3 St. Michael. Here with me today is none other than my very hardworking and loving parents. They will join us today and share with us the importance of math at home and at work. I think this will make us realize why are we studying all these math topics? Where will we be using these? Is it really that important? Again, say hi to my Nanay Ivy and Tatay Jojo!
Hi everyone!
Hi kids!
Nanay, can you enlighten us on how math is useful for you at home?
Well, math has a lot of uses at home. First, I use it for our budgeting our income and expenses.
You mean you add the money that our family make and subtract the money that we use to buy and pay?
Yes, exactly! I use the basic operations like addition, subtractions, and division to know the amount we spend in the grocery or in the market. That is part of budgeting. Another use of math at home is when I cook food. We measure the ingredients so that we always get the taste right.
Oh yeah, sometimes you can see you use measuring spoons and cups when you work at the kitchen.
Can you imagine what your food will taste like if I do not measure their ingredients?
Can't hardly imagine.
I also use time, which is another math skills, to check how long should I set the oven to cook the food. Basically, math is a part of our kitchen and the activities done there.
Wow, that's amazing to know that how useful math is in your daily work at the kitchen.
Another use of math is when you or any member of our family is sick.
Huh? But how?
Do you remember when you were sick and I have to check if you have a fever? I need to use thermometer and I need my math skill so I can read what it says in the thermometer.
Oh yes, and after that, you gave me medicine.
Right, I have to know how to read the markings of the cup so that I would know how much medicine to give you. That is also math. I look at the clock to check if it's time for work. That's math. I check the calendar to see deadlines. That's math.
I count the orders and check for sizes of our products. That's math. I count the payment and give change. That's math.
You see, everything you do, math is an essential part of it.
Oh, I see. That is why we keep on learning these things at school. We are surely going to use this in time.
Absolutely. So better study very well and enjoy math.
Thank you, Nanay. Thank you, Tatay. We heard them right. Math is really everywhere. Reflection. Well, now we have a better understanding of what math is all about at home and at work. Now we know why we keep on learning it at school for many years. It is not just there to make us suffer. Learning about math will help us understand our world better. Just like what my parents says, math is an essential part of our daily lives. I realize that everything that we are learning right now is important. Learning how to add and subtract numbers will help us with budgeting. It will help us compute our daily expenses. By learning about money, we'll be able to use that skill to pay for our orders in the restaurant, compute whether our money will be enough to purchase items that we like. We will be able to use fractions when we need to equally divide food to our family members. We will be using our knowledge about time so that we will not be late for work or for school. I can go on and on without stopping to let you know how useful math is in our daily activities. I don't think a day will last without the use of math. I think learning it will help us become better in solving real problems, being analytical and logical too. That is why we have to appreciate the beauty of math and learn with it with passion. Again, this is Isa George B. Pineda. I hope you learned a lot today. Thank you!